Got a Hyundai Genesis here. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace your cabin air filter. Pop your hood, your glove box open, not your hood. Then you're gonna push this tab right here. Then this one also. Just gonna kind of push it back. Oh, wasn't supposed to do that. But anyway, this piece right here, you're supposed to pull it back out. Don't do it the way I did. Cabin air filter is gonna be right here. So all you do is you pull this back, or actually you squeeze this tab right here. Okay, and that'll take the cover off. Now your air filter is right here. So you can see that arrow says up. When you put your new air filter in, you want that same arrow to go that way. So it's airflow going up like that. So go ahead and take this off. See how dirty that air filter is. Now we're gonna go ahead and install the new one, the arrow going up, and then put your cover back on and put this piece back on too. What you want to do is you want to lift it up and you can insert that back in, and then these tabs you can actually pull it in, slide it back on, and then just kind of pop it back in place like that. That's it, guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If you guys got any questions, comment below. Give me a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, and again, thanks for watching.